Yo, it's Dapper. So today I'm gonna present you the new Wink website called Blink. So all the links will be in the description down below. Blink is a website that uses BNB as the main token. As you may know, BNB is the Binance token. So instead of using TronLink, like we'll use for normal Wink website, for this website we will use Metamask. You will probably know Metamask as the main Ethereum wallet. So right now, I'm talking about that website because it's really interesting because it's only the beginning. So we can get more of the token website by mining. The token of the website is called Blink, like the website name. So first of all, to be able to play on the website, we have to deposit some BNB on our Metamask wallet. So you're probably watching that video because you have no idea how to do that. So I'm gonna explain it on this video. So I'm connecting my Metamask with the Binance Smart chain. If it's not clear for you, there's a written guide in the description of the video. So to do so, I will go to my Metamask settings and create a new network. So I'm going on my Metamask. I'm going on my little dot here. That's my profile. And I'm going into my settings here. It's in French, but it will be written settings. And you will go down below here to, it should be named network. So you click on it, and you click on add a new network here. So you will add a new network. So there, you will add the name of the network. So for this one, we'll call it Binance Smart Chain. So it will be easier to find it later on if you have a lot of networks and stuff, so you will know which one is which one. So Binance Smart Chain. For the RPC URL, it's https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org. Yeah, it's a URL is already present in existing list of networks because I already added it to show the example. But don't worry, you won't have that message. So the ID of the chain is 56. The symbol will be BNB because you want to add BNB on the website, and it's easier. Don't write bad stuff there because otherwise it will be hard to recognize later what that network is for. So you know it's for BNB. On the block explorer is https://bscscan.com. You can press save and congratulations, you connect a Metamask with the Binance Smart Chain. Now you are able to transfer BNB from Binance to your Metamask wallet. So to do so, you will go on your Binance withdrawal section. You will put there the recipient's BNB address. So to do so, you will go in your Metamask account. You will go there, details of the account, and you're gonna select and copy the address of your account. And you're gonna paste it there. So that's your address. As you may noticed, we have created the Binance Smart Chain, so you will select the Binance Smart Chain. Normal message like you will lose tokens if you did it wrong, but if you follow the guide, there is no problems with it. And I will, if you're a bit scared, it's normal to be scared, just withdraw a little amount, like 0.01, and you click submit, and you will see it will appear in your Metamask account. So I will do 3 BNB equal to like almost $100, I think. Yeah, and I will press submit. When it's done, our main goal is to make the most Blink token we can with the less amount of BNB spent. So to do so, we will log in on the website using Metamask. We'll accept the signature. And we are in the website and we can start to play. So we go on the dice. And we're gonna play some dice to get the more dividends we can. So we'll be playing dice and put 50-50 and play on auto bet and we'll start to mine by the Blink token. So I put 50 here. I'm gonna put 0.2 BNB per spin. And if we win, we get 0.4 in return. We play on auto bets, and I'm gonna roll over 50. So Metamask window will appear with the conversion. Normally there's no fee. I never got like the 0.02. And we'll press. So each time I will spend 0.2 like that, and it will roll. It's only the beginning of the transaction system, so it will take a bit of time. You see, I won. So now, at the end of the spin, it will ask again, because it's an auto spin. And you press confirm each time. And you can do whatever you want at the same time, like I can go on other stuff, and can still play the game. You just have to select confirm every time. So at certain point of time, when you say, oh, I won enough, it's fine. So you can stop the rolling. You can reject if you don't want. And now we will go on our dividends. So we'll go on drops here. On there, our dividends. So to do so, to freeze the dividends, so to freeze the tokens, the Blink tokens, so we can get dividends, we're gonna go on withdraw. So I have 145 Blink. I'm gonna confirm it on the blockchain. When it's done, I will have to freeze them. Okay, now I'm gonna freeze the 145, confirm on the blockchain. And now it's frozen. I have 200 Blink frozen. As you may see, you have to pay 0.2 BNB to mine 1 Blink right now. It's really cheap, I think. It's only on stage 2. So play fast before it's way too expensive to mine tokens. Don't wait too much before starting to make some tokens there. Otherwise you may regret it. So don't be afraid to ask any question on the commentary section below. And see you for the next time. Bye.